The Beijing 2022 Olympic Winter Games presents not just top sports performance. It's also a futuristic tech extravaganza and an enticing call to winter sports, which helps drive the economic growth. This robot in northeast China's Heilongjiang is helping Chinese curling athletes to prepare for the Winter Olympics.
冰壶机器人呢，它是一个软件和硬件、人工智能和机器人相结合的这样一个非常有挑战的一个项目啊。潜在的呢有很多应用上的可能性啊，比如一种呢，它是可以陪着我们的冰壶的爱好者一起去打冰壶，还可以呢陪着我们的冰壶的职业运动员进行训练。上面的摄像头呢可以监控我们的运动员打冰壶的它的速度啊、力量啊等等，对运动员呢打球呢会提供打冰壶会提供一些指导性的建议。
This lightweight, high-performance ski helmet using space technology has been used in northeast China's Liaoning province. A research team from Dalian University of Technology said by using the shell manufacturing technology of the Long March 5 carrier rocket, the helmet is lighter but stronger. It's designed to protect China's professional skiers during training. The popularity of winter sports have also spurred the sports and tourism market, even in places with a warm climate.
随着冰雪运动在全国的普及，现在南方也有条件进行这项运动，希望大家都来参与，为冬奥助力加油！
People also spend more on winter sports shopping and tourism. Statistics on e-commerce platforms, including Alibaba, showed a big increase from previous years in skiing and skating equipment sales during the Spring Festival holiday.